What's up, YouTube? My name is Kenny J, and this is KennyJTV. I am very excited to make this video today. I get this question all the time, and I wanted to give you some nuggets and some gems that I have learned along the way of how to market yourself. Marketing is a huge part of any business, any job, especially when you are in sales. I know for me, sales is what puts money in my pocket. Sales is what keeps my revenue coming in for my agency. So without sales, there is no business. If you don't know how to market, your agency will fail because you are not getting in front of enough people. The first tip that I have is join small business groups. It is very important to join small business groups, especially in your area. For me, I'm in a lot of Black-owned business groups. A lot of times these businesses will be looking for business insurance, life insurance, home, auto, but they don't know where to look. So if you are a minority, join those type of groups. And even if you're not, just look into different small business owner groups that you can join. Introduce yourself and tell them who you are. A lot of times I do reach out to different business owners and try to go over how is your insurance set up? Do you know what it means? What are you paying? Let me see if I can save you money. And about 60 to 70% of my business every month comes from Facebook groups. I don't pay for any leads. I don't do any of that. It all comes from just natural marketing. And of course, if I'm able to save this business money, a lot of times business owners hang out with each other. Business owners associate with each other. So then they refer me to another business. And that's why it's always important to ask for the referral. Always ask for other people that they may know that can benefit from this product the way that they did. Whether or not that you sold on them, it is important to keep your pipeline full of new business that you can talk to. Tip number 2, talk to your family and friends about insurance. A lot of times people will say, well, Kenny, I don't want to seem annoying or I don't want to be a bother, but everybody needs and has insurance. They may not all support you in the way you think, but that is a great place to start. I have many of my family members that have switched over or gotten insurance with me just off the sole fact that I am their cousin, their uncle, or whatever. I'm their family member and they want to support. And even if they don't support, ask for referrals no matter who it is. You don't know who they know that may need insurance. For example, my cousin, I reached out to her, asked her about life insurance. She said, hey Kenny, I do have life insurance, but my son doesn't. Can you talk to him and give him a call? And literally that day, he bought a whole life policy from me. And that was just because I reached out to family members, and even though they did not go and get the insurance, they had somebody that I could put in my pipeline and reach out to, and that translated to a sale. Even if your family members don't buy anything from you, if you are posting content regarding insurance or how you're an agent or how you own an agency, ask them to repost and support, like and comment, because at the end of the day, that support is free and that goes to your friends and the people that follow you on your social media. But then when they repost, now you're open up to a whole different audience that you didn't have before, which goes into my tip number 3, which is post on all social media platforms. How do you expect people to buy from you if they do not know that you are in insurance? When I first started in insurance, I was with State Farm. I knew that I didn't want to stay there long term. I wanted to open my own agency. So what I did is I branded myself as an insurance agent. I had, of course, my State Farm paraphernalia. I had my State Farm business cards, but also on the side, I had my own business cards as well that just said Kenny J, the insurance agent, because I wanted to brand that. Instagram, my Facebook, Twitter, all of my social media platforms, I was always talking about insurance. Not saying I'm selling through State Farm or I work for State Farm, but more so I'm in a very important industry and want to educate my community on protecting their assets and creating a legacy for their family. When I was able to leave State Farm and open my own agency, it was seamless because I already branded myself as an insurance agent. Not a State Farm agent team member or not a captive agent, but I was an insurance agent. So when I left, it made all the sense in the world for me to continue to brand myself as Kenny J, the insurance agent. That's helped me a lot with different leads, referral sources, and even my coaching calls. A lot of times you guys will book calls, or you will even ask me, hey, can you help me with my insurance? I'm a new agent, I need E&O, and I'm more than happy to always help you guys, but it wouldn't have gotten to the place where you could have seen it if I didn't post consistently on my social media. And when I say post, I don't mean post, hey, who's looking for auto insurance like this, and I'll send you a quote. More so of incorporating your lifestyle into your job because you are your business. At first, I did have a separate Instagram, as you can see in my earlier videos, from my personal. And then I talked to one of my brothers and he said, hey, listen, you are your business. You want your consumer to see the personal side of you and the business. And ever since I've done that, my channel has grown like crazy. My Instagram has grown. Everything is starting to grow because everything is cohesive. I'll post a picture right here of one of the content posts that I made on my Instagram. It's gotten a lot of traffic by different insurance agents, brokers, different agency owners, and even consumers that are looking for insurance, whether it be life insurance, health, commercial, personal lines, property, and casualty. Whenever I post, I do get people that are inquiring about quotes and how I can save them money. When you do make this content, make sure that you show personality. Personality is key. What is the difference between you and Joe Blow, the State Farm agent down the street? If you're posting consistent content on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, wherever, and you're showing your personality, you have that extra push over the next person because you're different, you're standing out. For me, I'm a very outgoing, fun-loving person that loves to just have a good time. And I love to show that in the insurance world because a lot of times when I was looking at getting into insurance, it was a lot of older people in insurance, very boring, and it wasn't very attractive to me, but I knew the potential in insurance, and now I'm trying to be that light to other people that are younger to let you know that insurance is for the younger generation as well. It is a very lucrative career. The insurance and financial services industry has the most millionaires out of any industry ever. So that says a lot right there. To me, it's a great kept secret. You don't have to go to college for it. You take a course that can take maybe 2 weeks from start to finish, and you're a licensed insurance agent. Tell me where else you can go and do something that amazing. And even when you post content, a lot of social media sites are going away from the photo sharing apps. They're more so on the Reels, the TikToks, and things like that. I would recommend doing short reels or short videos. For example, 5 ways to save on your homeowner's insurance, or how to pass the state exam, or even importance of life insurance. Make it a fun, quick video. You could do a dance, you could do a little music in the background, but that will catch the consumer's attention. If they're constantly just seeing boring pictures of flyers, they're not going to be engaged to what you are talking about. I follow a lot of realtors on YouTube, a lot of different professionals on YouTube, and this one realtor is my favorite YouTuber of all time. She's a realtor, I'm an insurance broker. We're not even in the same industry, but the content that she posts is so intriguing that even though I'm not in the industry, I'm still pulled in. And that's the type of content that you want to post for your consumer so you can create that wider audience. Another tip that has helped me tremendously is always have your cards on you, because you never know when you're gonna run into someone or talk about, what do you do? Oh, I'm an insurance agent. Well, do you have a card on you? And you say no. That is the worst thing that could ever happen. It's happened to me once. My wallet was in the car. I was in my friend's birthday party and I totally forgot to bring them in there. And they said, do you have a card? And I said, no. Luckily, they had their card. And that's another small side note is whenever you get information from somebody that's looking for insurance, make sure to get their information as well, because you want to follow up with them. A lot of times people will get your information and then they'll totally forget to follow up or lose the card. But if you have their information, you can follow up, set follow-up tasks and things like that to make sure that you do secure that sale. And even if you're out and you see a business owner, make sure to talk about insurance. Insurance is who you are. Don't be overbearing about it. but just talk to different business owners, or if you're in line having a nice conversation with someone in the grocery store, give them your business card, you know, before you leave, and just say, hey, I am an insurance broker, or I am an insurance agent in the area. I would love to quote your home, your auto, to see if I can save you some money. You seem like a great person and would love to build a professional relationship with you. Sometimes they'll buy it, sometimes not, but the main thing is you're getting your name out there. They may not call you today, they may not call you tomorrow, but 10 months down the line, hey, this is Susie from Walmart, and you're like, hey, I know you don't remember me, but you gave me your card, and I'm actually looking to shop my auto insurance. So you're planting those seeds early, so later on, your pipeline will continuously be full of new business. This next tip that I'm gonna give is the definition of working smarter, not harder, and that is create referral partners. That is the smartest thing I did from day one, whether that was creating captive insurance agent referral partners, realtors, mortgage brokers, closing attorneys, all the different people that could possibly send you business, accountants, funeral homes. The list goes on and on. Look at the niche you want. If you want to just do life insurance or final expense, you may want to reach out to different funeral homes or even different senior apartments. If you're looking at being just a commercial agent, reach out to different business owners in your area, telling them who you are and you would love to shop their rates for their commercial insurance to see if you can save them a tremendous amount of money on their yearly premium. Because one thing you don't want to always do is chase after your clients, chase after the prospect, chase. Sometimes it's nice when you're just doing work on your computer, typing up, and you get a call and it's Jim from State Farm, and he says, hi, I have someone in my office that's looking for homeowners insurance. Unfortunately, we cannot get them insured, but was wondering, could you possibly help them out? I get those calls very often, and usually the bigger companies can't insure them due to roofing claims or multiple claims. So now I'm able to come in and save the day and supplement whatever agent that I got them from, or referral partner, to let them know that I'm just here to help you with this policy. All your business is with State Farm. I'm not here to take any business. I'm just here to supplement. And that is very important to let them know up front, because you are an insurance agent just like them. Sometimes they may think, well, Kenny may be here to try to steal my business, or if he gets their auto, now he may quote their home and bundle it together, and now I have lost business. So whenever a captive agent sends me business, I do tell the person, once I do quote their auto, their home, their business, and they say, can you quote my life insurance? It is with this company, but I would like to save some money. I do tell them I am a supplement of XYZ agency, and I'm just here to service you for this policy. Just so you can keep that relationship. You don't want to burn a bridge of a great referral partner over 1 or 2 policies. I promise you it's not worth it, and what goes around comes around. So you want to just be very honest with your referral partner, with your consumers, because at the end of the day, what's for you is for you. The last tip I will give is go to different networking events, pop-up shops, vendor events. They're all over. You just have to research, go to an Eventbrite. If your local city has an Instagram page, they may post it on there, but you want to get your name out. Even if you're not a quote-unquote vendor because you're not selling a tangible product, get out there, pass out your cards. It's plenty of business owners out there. It's usually candle shops, people that are selling goods. So you want to get out there, get in front of them and let them know who you are. Support them and buy their products, and also hand out your business cards. A lot of consumers are out there as well that are just shopping and looking for different stuff. Wear your logo on your shirt, let them know who you are, pass out your cards, and that is a great way to get your name out there. And those are a few tips that have helped my name and my agency get out there to the general public. Marketing is one of the main things that you have to do in order to be successful in the insurance industry. If you have any questions or different marketing techniques or tips that you use, put that in the comments below. I would love to learn from you guys and see how you guys are marketing in your insurance career. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell for my latest notification. Again, my name is Kenny J, the insurance guru, and this is KennyJTV.